Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the owner and chef of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest in Aranya Shutsa, and we are here on the behalf of Expat Village. The dish that we're going to prepare now, it's a biryani. So in the meanwhile, while our onion, garlic and ginger and chili are being cooked over there, let's prepare our next ingredient, which is the tomatoes. We're going to use about 2 tomatoes, and we're going to chop our tomatoes to small cubes, and we will keep all the seeds and the watery bits in the dish because we want the water of the tomatoes to be infused with our masala over here that we are going to cook. We are cooking. So the tomatoes, so let's see, our onions are ready now. The ginger and garlic has been beautifully cooked. All the spices are beautifully being cooked now. The onions have browned very well, and we're going to add the tomatoes. We're going to add our tomatoes to the masala, and we'll cook this thoroughly for a couple of minutes before we add our powdered spices to this dish. In the meantime, I think our rice is ready. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the rice.